Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're going to dive into what we believe is the best travel size hair conditioner on the market, the Biolage Hydra Source Conditioning Balm. Whether you're heading off on a weekend getaway or just need a compact conditioner for everyday use, this product is a must-have in your bag. First off, let's talk about what makes this conditioning balm stand out. Inspired by the refreshing aloe plant, this deep conditioning balm is designed to hydrate, nourish, and repair dry, damaged hair. It's perfect for those with medium to coarse hair that needs a bit of extra TLC. What I love about this product is how it optimizes moisture balance, leaving your hair looking healthy, shiny, and soft without weighing it down. And with the 1.7-ounce travel size, it's easy to take it wherever you go. Now, if you're someone who has dry or color-treated hair, you'll appreciate that this conditioner is sulfate-free and paraben-free. These gentle ingredients help protect the moisture in your hair while keeping it soft and manageable. The formula is vegan as well, so it's a great option for those looking for cruelty-free products. And while it's hydrating, it doesn't leave your hair greasy or weighed down, which can sometimes be an issue with heavier conditioners. Using this product is simple. After shampooing, apply it to wet hair, let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. This quick and easy treatment is all you need to leave your hair feeling soft and silky. Plus, the fresh, floral fragrance is light enough to enjoy without being overpowering. So, whether you're dealing with dry strands, tangles, or dullness, the Biolage Hydra Source Conditioning Balm is a game changer. It provides deep moisture, detangles, and leaves your hair with a beautiful shine. Plus, with its compact size, it's the perfect option for travel or to keep in your gym bag for on-the-go hydration. If you're looking for a reliable, effective, and portable conditioner, this one definitely deserves a spot in your beauty routine. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews to help you make the best choices for your hair care needs.